This video will help you start the first project. Create project first. After creating the project, import photos. Add the photo folder. Read pose information. Apply the block. Before processing, start the local engine. Submit aerial triangulation. If the photos don't have the camera information, you need fill in the sensor size and focal length. Apply the information. Submit AT. Check the tie points and camera position in the 3D view. Create a new 3D reconstruction. Select the output coordinate system. Change the tile size as needed. Submit production. Select the model format. Select tiles to process. Then submit it. After finish, check the model in 3D view. Where you can open the 3D model and Get3D Viewer directly.